Dr. Dynamat. How is it, sir?
Almost done.
Look at you. You have kicked ass. Wow, Everybody, you gotta look at this Dynamat job. The doctor's in the house.
Almost done. We got a little spot.
So what's the point of doing it? Like,
It dampens
you just
the-
need, you just need it for like part. This is the rattly part. Is that why
Yeah.
you just have to do that part?
Tap on the door.
Yeah.
On the outside.
Oh yeah, that dampens a
Now,
lot.
go to the other side, which we haven't done yet.
Smack it up, flip it, rub it down.
Oh no. Oh,
Come over here. You gotta see that.
hold on.
You gotta hear that.
We gotta-
We gotta do before.
We're gonna do before and after.
Here.
Or this is after and before.
Dr. Dynamite knows what he's talking about.
After, you kind of trot
Okay.
this.
Little bit.
Little bit trot that.
Because I noticed it was a lot quieter when we took the windows out. All right, watch this.
What noisy tinny bitch.
What a motherfucker.
Yeah, fuck that.
Had it.
Had it. Doctor. Doctor.
You see?
Doctor. Freelance gynecologist. Freelance proctologist.
I was gonna say I haven't touched Gyna since '95.
Ew. Dr. Glenn, Dr. Glenn. And Mr. Engineer Wick. Look at the Dynamat up in here. Wow. A little sound deadening. Nice work, gentlemen. Nice work.